I said, not my camera, if you notice, the camera, which is Serena Lynn.
Here, hold that fish up, can you? Or you want to be fishy?
All right, why don't you hold it up? I'll take a picture. Hold it up and I'll take a picture of you.
Well, it's still going.
Now, this is a camcorder though, so I don't know.
Going. Just don't touch a thing.
Don't touch a thing. This is Denise taking a picture of Tom and his big ol' ass freaking. No, it may be a fish, but it is a what? King mackerel.
King mackerel.
Yes. You know?
Here you go.
It's a beautiful fish.
Fighter. Here's.
Okay, that was a fighter fish, but what he has in the cooler now, and what he has in his hands, and showing off to us, is a beautiful red snapper. Bullshit.
This is a little one.
Yeah, little one.
Here. Is this a big one?
That is a nice size one. Yes, it is, Tom.
Alright. Taking a movie.
We're taking a
Cool.
Now that
more fish. The big one ain't
whoa.
The big one ain't even here yet.
We ain't even got to the big one yet.
That is beautiful though. He's so red and flaming and oh my goodness, what do we have here? Easy.
That was nice.
That is beautiful.
Denise's fish.
No, really?
Denise got the big
nah. Thank you. Maybe so.
And a baby one.
Golly. Not bad for a Saturday afternoon. Just cruising around, dropping a little hook. And look what we got.
Maybe you want to jump up on the end of the table down here?